I think he hides your Easter basket in 10 eggs, I think. What do you think? What?
That has color fruit dye on it.
Yep, that's color fruit dye, yep. Those are the ones we made, though. Ooh, bless you. Ooh, bless you. You look for your Easter basket and your Easter eggs? Go ahead, get down. Oh, let me hold your blanket. Oh, you found one. Go set him on the coffee table. Why don't you give Daddy your blanket so you can look? What do you think? Oh, wow. You're so good at that.
Yeah.
Cool. She got me sick. Wow. I think you hid them all in here, sweetie. I think they're all in the living room somewhere. I think they're all in the living room somewhere.
What?
I think they're all in the living room somewhere. In here, in this room. Good job. How many? Let's find them all first. Wow.
It's a lot.
How many is there? How many more are you looking for?
There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you're looking for 2 more eggs in your Easter basket.
That one.
Oh, so 1 more egg.
Yeah, there's 2 more.
Huh?
There's 2 more.
You're looking for 1 more egg in your basket.
No, there's 2 more.
Oh, you found your basket? Let me help you. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Nope, nope, nope. Leave it down. There you go. Now pull it.
Wow!
Wow, is that your basket?
Yeah, it has a lot of eggs.
Yeah, I think you're looking for 1 more egg though. Do you want to look for 1 more egg before you go through your basket?
No, I want pieces. That's 4 eggs. It's 5 more eggs. I got a lot of eggs.
Wow.
I got a lot of eggs.
What else is in there?
Can you jump it all out?
Mm-hmm.
Can you jump it all out?
Sure. Do you want to pull it out or jump it?
Jump it.
Okay. What is that?
Mini boat.
It's what?
Mini boat. Heat.
Mini Boutique. That's a game for your leap pad.
Mama egg. What is egg?
We got some Peeps.
What?
Peeps. Some gummies and Nerds.
What are these?
They're like little marshmallow things coated in sugar. And look, you got some chalk. You got some chalk, baby.
What?
Chalk. And look, some necklaces.
I gotta go bathroom.
Okay. What do you want to find your last egg first?
Take my robot thing to put it back on. Can I go potty?
Okay.
I took my robot.
Okay.
So that's a solid toilet.
Okay, yeah, we don't want it to fall in the toilet. I don't remember what I did with the last one, do you? I think, actually, I think it's right there. We're going to have to help her find it, probably. She found those with such ease.
Mama? Mama?
What?
I'm wet.
Well, that's good. Yes. Mommy, I wiped.
You can tie.
Here.
You can tie it.
Come on.
Tie my rope.
Can you look for your last Easter egg?
What?
Look for your last. Go to Daddy. Daddy will tie it for you. Go to your. You gotta look for your last Easter egg.
Wow.
I don't know. Somewhere in here.
Okay, but someone will put it.
Huh?
I don't know where he put it.
You don't know where he put it? Well, why don't you look? You gotta look high and low. You gotta look in between things. You found a lot. You found a lot over here. Why don't you look over in that area?
What area?
Right over there where you're at. Look over there. Since you found so many over here, he probably hid some over there.
Hey, I just whistled.
You just whistled?
I whistle.
Did you look over there? You gotta look behind stuff too. Nope, stay in here. It's not in the kitchen, sweetie. Stay in here.
Hey, this is a guy.
Stop.
It's slowly back in forever.
Did you look over there? Mommy and Daddy seen it already. We know where it's at.
I don't know where it is. Hey, what's up there?
No, it's not up here, sweetie.
What's that?
Come here, Daddy's gonna help you. That's Mommy's cough drops.
Daddy, are you going to help me the Easter egg?
Give her a hint. Don't tell her where it's at.
What? What?
Ah, did you find it? Is it back there?
candy. Candy.
Are you going to share this candy with Mommy?
Yeah. There's more candies at all these. Wow. It looks like the same was at the Fruities. Okay. Try to open them. There lots of candy. That's why they can't with the open.
He must have came to your house first. Look at all this good candy. He must have came here first. Look at all that good candy.
For somebody came here first? For Santa Claus came here first?
No, not Santa Claus. Easter Bunny.
Wow.
And you got Smarties over there. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Funny. Oh, this is my last.
Okay, let's not open the shaky ones, okay?
Mama,
Huh?
look at this.
Looks like a Reese's Pieces egg.
Can I eat it?
Uh-huh.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. I bet they're all candy. Sometimes the Easter Bunny gives candy and sometimes he gives money, but I bet those are all candy. All right. Can you say... Oh, that was very nice of you.
Thank you. You didn't wash your hands after you went to the bathroom.
Thank you. Can you say Happy Easter, everyone?
We have more left.
Can you say Happy Easter, everyone? I'm going to stop videoing, okay?
Mom, go open it.
Can you say Happy
Put it in there.
Can you say Happy Easter, everyone?
Happy